Hey guys, and let's hop to the affiliate network sections here in Keitaro, and this is the section where you create templates of affiliate networks. Here, create to automate the receiving of postback and conversions accordingly. Choose the affiliate network you're working with and create its template. It's all simple. Here we may create this one, for example. It's already created here. We just create a duplicate, but it doesn't matter, just for an example. What and why it's useful. A ready-made postback link here you may get just from inside of the template. You just need to add this link to the affiliate networks cabinet, and they will be able to send a postback strictly to your tracker properly. How it works. You connecting the affiliate networks template to the offer you want to promote. Here, for example, affiliate network V partners. Let it be. We may just change it to any other already created. So we want to work with V partners. For example, here we saving. Then we add in our offer in campaign. Here. Add offer, this one. Done. Then we are going to an affiliate network V partners and pasting this postback link to the specific particular place for this link on their site. And the affiliates sends conversions correctly using this link. You can also create your own template here, create without selecting a template, just using empty template and add your own data. This is the basic scheme of using the affiliate networks functionality. Read more details and use cases in the affiliate networks in Keitaro docs here. Affiliate networks in Keitaro, our docs section, conversions, receiving and postback settings here. This is all about conversions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.